Well, the Red Bull Stratos project is a mission to the edge of space. We want to push the limits that have been existing for the last 50 years for medical and science purposes. And of course, we want to break 4 major records. My role is to be a test pilot, so I'm the one who's putting myself in a pressure suit. I'm going to lock myself in a pressure capsule. I'm going up to 120,000 feet. Depressurize the capsule, and I climb out of the capsule and step off. Within the first 35 seconds, I should be able to break the speed of sound.
My role in the project is the technical director of the program. I got involved in this program from Felix having a dream. I've known Felix for a while, and calling me in the middle of the night. And so he called me in the middle of the night expressing his dream of what he wanted to accomplish, and I started putting together the team to make it happen.
My role is to provide a safe, healthy, survivable environment, and if something adverse should happen, to be prepared to respond to that. There's a number of scientific objectives that we, from a medical side, are interested in. Those particular interests are that we understand the human's response in this incredibly adverse environment.
You know, the biggest challenge is have we answered every question that there is? We play what we call what if. What if this happens, what if that happens? And what you worry about the most is what you have not anticipated. And that's what we do. We constantly trying to anticipate anything that could possibly happen.
We have to develop our own balloon, we have to develop the capsule and the suit. And we have to do a lot of test jumps just to make sure our equipment works properly.
I will be the communications with Felix during his jumps. I'm involved daily in the training Felix and the technical problems associated with it, because I've been there. I've made 5 high-altitude balloon flights. I've made 3 jumps from space. So I have the background.
With Joe, he's the only one who has been there and done that. He knows exactly what to do, and I feel totally confident to pull this off.